We are going to learn how to auto format in Excel in 1 minute. And we're going to apply shortcuts, Control A to select the array, Control C to copy, and there is a shortcut of Alt OA. So that will do auto formatting. I'm just selecting the same thing, or instead I can also do Control A, Control C. Now what I'm doing it Alt OA. So when I hit the Alt OA, it will give these options. For example, I can just, because my table has some values to it, so I will go with the classic accounting 2. So you can see this one has got the value, but this is not a value, right? So you can just copy, paste this one, and whereas all these are cost, and cost count is a value, right? So we can just apply this one. The formatting is well done. So it is neatly, it is done, all that, right? Similarly, we can do the same thing. Copy this data or use Control A and Control C to copy the data, and then you can hit Alt OA. And here I don't have any value, so we can straight away go for some coloring. I can go for this table. So you can see here, this is already done. So it is also very, very neat also as well, right? So I hope you like it, and please stay tuned for more such tips coming up soon. Thank you.